Today, we have exciting new updates about Canon's upcoming powerful camera, the Canon R5 Mark II. There are more details and leaks since our last R5 Mark II video, and that's why we're here today. It's going to be a quick video, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video, so let's move on to the video. Let's start with the confirmed core specifications. The Canon R5 Mark II will feature a 45 megapixel backside illuminated stacked sensor. This cutting-edge technology promises to deliver exceptional image quality and a 30% improvement in rolling shutter performance compared to the EOS R3, making it a massive leap over the original R5. The 3.2-inch LED articulating screen remains a highlight, offering flexibility for framing your shots from virtually any angle. Whether you're shooting high, low, or at an awkward angle, this screen will look good from any angle. While specifics about the new processor are still under wraps, we know it's designed to leverage the latest advancements in technology, promising to enhance the camera's overall performance significantly. The R5 II will feature both mechanical and electronic shutters, giving you the best of both worlds. Expect up to 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter and an impressive 30 FPS with the electronic shutter. Photographers, brace yourselves for a burst rate of up to 30 FPS with the electronic shutter, ensuring you never miss a fast-paced moment. Advanced AI autofocus features are set to revolutionize your shooting experience. Eye-controlled autofocus, slightly corrected from our previous update, will be a standout feature, offering intuitive focus control. The R5 II will be packed with new video-focused features that in some areas even surpass the capabilities of the R5C. Expect lots of AI-driven video features that improve everything from autofocus to scene recognition. One of the most notable updates is Canon's focus on cooling solutions. The R5 Mark II now features two new vents on the body to help dissipate heat, addressing one of the key concerns from the original R5. Plus, advancements in heat dissipation technology have led to enhanced performance in video recording and high frame rate photography. Ergonomically, the R5 II boasts minor but well-thought-out changes, including design features borrowed from the R6 Mark II, like the video stills toggle. These improvements make the camera even more comfortable to handle and use for extended periods. An exciting addition is the superior preburst feature, surpassing that of the R6 II. This allows you to capture moments before you even press the shutter, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. For sports and wildlife photographers, the R5 II includes specialized AI features to enhance your shooting experience. These intelligent features will help you capture the perfect shot in dynamic environments. With its high-resolution sensor, cutting-edge AI features, advanced cooling solutions, and ergonomic improvements, the Canon R5 II is shaping up to be a revolutionary upgrade. Now on the price side, as we said in the previous video, we expected this camera to be in the range of $3,000 to $4,000, and at this point, if we take into account the features and the innovations, and also the rumors in the market, the entry price of this camera will be around $4,000. $4,000 is a significant investment, but an investment that promises high performance and versatility. The big moment is just weeks away, and those who have been following us since 2023 know that we said this camera would arrive just before the 2024 Summer Olympics. It will almost certainly be announced in June or July at the latest. This is very exciting, and we believe it will be a very special day for Canon, because everyone usually buys a camera to be able to use it for many years. The new Canon R5 could be one of the most popular of these cameras. We've come to the end of the video, but there's one thing I want to say before we finish. As I say in every video, if you are going to buy a camera in 2024 or invest in this sector, we strongly recommend you to subscribe to our Photomica channel. In addition, if there is something we missed or something you know about the subject, don't forget to share it in the comments. That's it for this video for now. Take care of yourself, and hope to see you again in the next video.